ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro. Current price $284.99 as shown on some listings. Okay, straight up, the Neptune 3 Pro feels like an impressive, step-up printer for makers who want more out of an entry to mid-level FDM machine without the headache of too much tinkering. The listing highlights a 225x225x280mm build volume, a dual-gear direct extruder, SUS 303 stainless steel, 3:1 reduction, that really helps with reliable filament feeding, less under-extrusion and fewer clogs, and a dual-lead screw-set setup that keeps your tall prints steady. It also ships with auto bed leveling, 36-point probe compensation, filament runout detection, power loss resume and an STM32 board with quite stepper drivers, all the sorts of features that make the daily printing experience noticeably smoother. Customer feedback on the page averages in the low 4-star range and there are thousands of purchases month, so it's not a one-off product. People are using it and leaving useful notes. In real-world use, this printer nails the more reliable baseline goal. Prints stick well to the bed, bridging and overhangs are solid for the class, and the direct drive helps with flexible filaments like TPU. Noise level claims, around high 40 dB, are believable. It's quieter than older hobby kits but not whisper quiet. The touchscreen plus removable capacitive display is a nice touch for quick control, and the nozzle heat management with the included TC4 titanium throat and upgraded heatsink means fewer maintenance headaches if you print a lot. Downsides? You'll still want to dial in slicer settings, and advanced users might swap out hot end nozzle upgrades later, but that's normal. If you are coming from a basic kit or one of those bargain printers, the Neptune 3 Pro feels like a thoughtful compromise, not wild powerhouse, but a dependable daily driver that reduces fiddly setup time and gives you room to grow. Prices fluctuate by seller and region, so check the live product page before you buy, and yes, we share buy links in the description box.